Hi guys, it's Apple here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to give you a quick review, or I will show you about the things that I ordered in TEAMI Blends. Before that, I just wanted to tell you that it's not sponsored. I just have a coupon, guys. So I will be putting the coupon code on the screen para if you like to order, you will have a discount. I ordered the 30-day detox plan, guys. It consists of one pack of TEAMI Colon tea and one bag of TEAMI Skinny tea. TEAMI Skinny is loose tea leaves, and TEAMI Colon is inside a pouch or a bag, or what you call that. Kasi tawaran. Gisod siya ingani, guys. Nilagay siya sa ganitong parang tea bag. Nilagay siya sa isang tea bag. I ordered these two, and dahil loose tea leaves to, guys, nag-order ako ng kasama niyang tumbler. Cute, guys, no? At saka handy siya. Pwede mo siyang madala kahit saan ka magpunta. So the tumbler is a doubled layer, so it keeps your tea hot without burning your hands. TEAMI Skinny tips. Drink your TEAMI Skinny every morning, best before breakfast, to boost your metabolism, raise your energy, and suppress your cravings naturally. Reuse your TEAMI Skinny leaves 1 to 3 times daily by adding more hot water to your tumbler. And drink 6 to 8 glasses of water throughout the day. Toxins exist all around us, like processed foods, carbonated drinks, pollution, and free radicals. TEAMI Colon Tea Cleanse gives our body the restoration it needs. For the TEAMI Colon, drink your TEAMI Colon before bed, starting on day 2 of your detox program. Steep your TEAMI Colon for 1 to 3 minutes, then remove it from the mug. Continuously increase the steep time gradually based on your body. 1 to 3 minutes is a starting point. The longer you let your TEAMI Colon steep, the more toxins you will remove. And you are not drinking the TEAMI Tea Colon every day, but every other night before you sleep. Yes, TEAMI Skinny comes in loose leaves, but they will give you an awesome tumbler that makes it very easy to drink. So all you need is put 1 teaspoon of leaves and fill it with hot water. You make sure that the leaves will go inside the bottle, not on the top of the strainer. You can add lemon and honey if you want to. And this is the strainer. You will put it here so that you cannot drink the loose tea leaves. And please allow hot contents to cool for 1 to 3 minutes before tightening the lid. Contents that are hot can create pressure on the lid, causing the mouthpiece to pop off. Do not stir, shake, or turn your tumbler upside down if contents are extremely hot. And also, there is a compartment under the tumbler where you can put extra things or jewelries. Or the extra loose tea leaves. Or vitamins that you need to take later on. So you can hide tiny things in that compartment. So if you like this video guys, kindly give it a thumbs up, comment your thoughts and suggestion below. Please click the subscribe and bell button para updated ka sa mga bago kong upload. Bye!